If you prefer a data-based buying guide, then you are in the right place. Welcome to our channel. We are techies, not salesmen. No flashy words or biased opinions. We made this list based on the big data collected from customers, manufacturers, as well as our data providers. Thanks to our exclusive unsupervised learning AI system, analyzing and comparing all these products couldn't be more accurate or efficient. We list the best buy products and their competitive advantages. This list includes options for every type of consumer. If you want more information and the updated prices on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below and feel free to subscribe. Okay, now let's start our list.
The 36-inch folding trampoline from Stamina Products is a fun, convenient way to build endurance while shaping and toning your calves, thighs, glutes, and hips. The trampoline's heavy-duty rebounding surface is built to last so that you can enjoy a low-impact workout as often as you'd like to. Instead of springs, durable, stable tension bands attach to the rebounding surface. The safety pad around the perimeter keeps you safe during your workout. While you're jumping, the rubber-tipped legs will keep the trampoline steady and also protect the floor. When you're done with your workout, the legs detach and the trampoline folds for easy storage. Have fun, shape up, and build endurance in the comfort of home with the Stamina 36-inch folding trampoline.
What I love about the MaXimus Pro Rebounder, it's not any normal mini trampoline. First of all, it's got that fantastic, unique quarter folding design, which means you can fold it down and transport it away into a very small space. It comes with all these amazing accessories. We've got the stability bar if you need it. We've got extra stand weights for the resistance. We've got the resistance bands, which you can tie onto the rebounder to do all of your toning exercises. And we've got a compilation DVD with all of your workouts that will teach you the proper rebounding techniques. So we've got everything in one package. It's pretty much your home gym package, your home fitness package. Everything you need to get you fit, healthy, and having fun. What I like about the MaXimus Pro Rebounder is the advanced spring system. It has 36 very, very strong springs. They're this muscle shaped, so they take away a lot of the impact. They also have 22 coils, and they attach to the rebounder through this bolt through the frame. So it's very, very robust. The legs of the rebounder are attached by a very, very strong spring, so you can easily unclip the legs and slot them back into place, rather than the old-fashioned design where we screw the legs in and off. So attaching your resistance bands is really easy. Each resistance band comes with this little carabiner clip at the end. So we want to take this behind the rebounder and attach it to the metal clip. If you leave one leg in between each resistance band, so with the carabiner clip, attach it to the metal clip around the front, and then we've got our resistance bands safely secured onto the rebounder, and we can start to do all of our resistance exercises. So putting the MaXimus Pro Rebounder away, we want to fold down the legs. So just twist and put the elastic ties over the top, working your way around. And then lay the rebounder on its back. Make sure you've got the flat hinges furthest away from you. Take one hand over the back of the rebounder and lean over the back of the rebounder. One hand around the flat rim, and with a sharp pull up, making sure your head is out of the way, pull the rebounder towards you. Fold it into the half position, then to the quarter position, and then we can fold it away into its carry bag. So MaXimus Life and Rebound Fitness have been manufacturing and designing rebounders for over 15 years now. We have a whole range of rebounders, from entry-level rebounders to folding rebounders to performance rebounders. We even have a bungee sprung rebounder as well. So we really have a whole variety, a whole range of rebounders to basically support every single population. And it's our goal and our vision to get as many people as possible rebounding and doing this wonderful, healthy, researched exercise all around the world.
over the rebounding bands and 6 legs that provide amazing stability when rebounding. Because the bands absorb most of the impact when you land, jumping exercises are a lot easier on the joints. Finally, when you're done with your workout, fold the trampoline for easy storage.